Hello, I'm in a 2011 Audi Q7 and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first we'll go down and find this lever. You should feel a little resistance as you pull, but you should be able to pull it and hear like a little pop that unlatches the hook for the hood. So we did that. So you can see behind here what it looks like. A little dark, but yeah, it just slides right there. Imagine this is fairly big to help cover up the cable that's behind it, the tension that you feel. If there's no tension at all, you'll probably need to go back inside there and figure out why it's not tight and tighten it up. So now we'll go up to the front. Usually in most cars the lever is right around the middle, but you should be able to fit your hand in here. The lever is right here, so you just push it and pull up. So you can see here, there, and that hooked onto this. And here's the cables I was talking about on this end. So if you're having issues, most likely it's something with this, whether it's like off center somehow, maybe needs a little WD-40 or something to loosen it up. But anyways, that's it today. Hope you have a wonderful day.